Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a great day and a great week. So today we're going to discuss about pollution. What is pollution? Pollution is basically the introduction of harmful substances into our environment. Let's discuss this in more depth and let's know what are the causes and effects of pollution. And let's learn what is pollution and how harmful can pollution be for us and for the other living organisms living in this earth. And can earth live with pollution, or do we have to reduce it or conserve it? Let's see. Pollution had been termed as a social issue. Why? Because it is contributed by human activities. Human are the sole, not sole, but human are the major contributors to this issue. So pollution is a social issue because of human beings. There are many types of pollution: air, water, soil, noise, and many other. The most common type of pollution is air pollution in this world, and which is also caused by human activities, which is mostly caused by human activities. Some of them, little percent of pollution is caused by natural disasters or natural happenings, but most of the pollution is caused by human activities. So the main topic of this video would be air pollution. What is air pollution? What causes air pollution? And what are the effects of air pollution? And how harmful can air pollution really be to us? And how is it affecting us? Okay, so as I stated, that pollution is the introduction of harmful substances into our environment. What are these harmful substances? These harmful substances are called pollutants. Pollutants can destroy the quality of water, air, or land they are in. Okay, pollution and these pollutants are sometimes natural, such as volcanic ash. Volcanic ash is a pollutant that destroys the air that has volcanic ash in it, right? Volcanic ash is a pollutant. But mostly and most of the time, it is because of human activities like trash or runoff by factories that is being, that is being seized by, excreted by the factories. That trash or that filthy water, that is what really is affecting, that is the major cause of pollution in our environment. Volcanic ash does create pollution, but mostly pollution or air pollution mostly is caused by human activities, because the runoff by factories, that is destroying the air that surrounds them, and there are houses built around factories to, to facilitate the growing population. So we have to build houses everywhere, we have to have homes everywhere. So the houses near factories, they are being destroyed. The land near factories, that is being destroyed, because the dirty water that comes out of factories, that does not accommodate, that is not able to facilitate us, that is making the solution of that is making the problem of pollution worse. As I stated, that the most common type of pollution is air pollution. What are the causes of air pollution? What really causes air pollution? The main causes of air pollution include burning of fossil fuels and mostly open burning of trash and the substances that we do not need, that the factories, you can say, do not need, they burn them, and the pollutants that are excreted from the burning destroys the air, and the air flows and then it destroys the whole area, right? So burning of fossil fuel, open burning of garbage or trash, or transportation also affects air pollution, as we are using our personal vehicles or our transportation system to be from one place to another. We do not really know how that is affecting the environment, but that really is affecting the environment. Okay, burning of fossil fuel, industrial waste or industrial emission, industrial waste also causes pollution so much. Factories are emitting harmful substances, and they don't really know what that substance can do to the environment, or it can become a pollutant and cause pollution. So what are the causes of air? Oh, sorry. Okay, so we discussed the causes of air pollution. Let's discuss what are the effects of air pollution. Now, what are the effects of air pollution? There is an increase in respiratory problems and cardiovascular problems as the air pollution grows. The increase in risk of cardiovascular respiratory problem also increases, also grows. So increase in cardiovascular problem, increase in respiratory problems, increase in the risk of skin diseases, increase in the risk of this pollution not directly but indirectly affects the increase in the risk of cancer. Global warming pollution does directly affect global warming and ozone deprivation. We are destroying the ozone layer, and we really need the ozone layer to save the place we live on. And what do we live on? This earth. We need to save this earth. This earth cannot live with pollution. Earth also has some rights, and we have to provide the rights of earth to it. Pollution and earth cannot be on the same page. We need to destroy, we are destroying earth because of pollution. We need to destroy pollution. We need to end pollution so we can save the place where we live on, because we do not have anything else. Right now, we do not have anywhere else to live on. Okay, so I've stated the causes and effects of air pollution. Is there a way we can reduce air pollution, or we learn the causes of air pollution and we do not do that? Yes, there are some ways we can reduce or even overcome the problem of pollution if we do this continuously. Using public transportation system. Everyone is using their personal cars, everyone is using their public transport, so more harmful gases are emitted into the environment. But if people start to use a public transport, or if people are facilitated with good public transportation, then not everyone will use their personal transportation, right? Not everyone will use their personal transport system. If people have good public transport, then not many people, I don't think so many people will use their personal transportation. Using public transportation, because when public transportation will be used, there will be less harmful gas emitted into our environment. And of course, turning off the lights when not in need, turning off electricity when not in need, and saying no to plastics. We should really know that we have to say no to plastic bags, plastic bottles, or anything that has plastic in it. Some other ways to reduce air pollution is a reduction in forest fire and smoking, and reusing and recycling things, and obviously saying no to plastic, and overcoming the problem of plastic, because we need plastic. Humans need plastic, and humans have to overcome the problem that is being caused by plastic. So, air pollution or pollution in comparison can destroy crops and trees in a variety of ways, and we need trees. We need forests. We do not need wildfires. We need trees to breathe. So we have to emit pollution from our life so that we can live on. So this is gonna be it for this video. We learned about air pollution. What is pollution collectively? Air pollution, causes of air pollution, effects of air pollution, and ways to reduce air pollution. Hope you learned something new and hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below your favorite part, and adios. I'm out.